Wow. we need more room here.
Get these level can take a while. Oh, goodbye, Snow!
Wow.
Jose, are you ready to be a father?
Like a baby?
Yeah, you're holding a little baby, Jose, why are we on the floor in the kitchen?
Because I see the layer they sit down on the egg, no?
Oh, I see. So you're gonna sit in here and incubate eggs?
No.
Do I need to build you a nest? Wow.
Probably.
We have issues.
It's not like that.
Okay, so what you're saying is you want to set up the incubator. Okay, so we're sitting on the kitchen floor to do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Let's do it. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Ta-da! Okay. No?
I think you need more than that.
Oh, okay, one more.
One more, okay.
Ta-ta-ta!
Nope.
No?
More than that.
Okay. How about now?
Nope.
No?
You still didn't bring the incubator in. Oh. Jose, do you want me to help?
Probably.
I think you can get it on your own.
Wow. we need more room here.
So we've been saving eggs for the last couple of days because we need to hatch out some eggs. So what we are going to do, because last year we bought an incubator and we never used it.
No.
And this year we want to be hatching out our own eggs because each year, in order to provide eggs through the winter, we need to have our layer chicks started by about the end of March.
Yep.
Like that's when we want to order them in. The problem is in the mail, every time we order chicks up here, we lose a lot of them because it's way too cold.
Yeah, and sometimes they take a lot of time to come into here.
Yeah, sometimes it's taken as much as a week, and it's very devastating to me when the birds arrive and they're not alive.
Yeah.
So we wanted to start raising our own birds, our own layers and our own meat birds. So that's what we're going to get started today. We're going to take the incubator out of the box. It's literally never been opened.
No.
Oh, inspect shipment within 7 days of delivery. Oh, oops.
Oops.
I guess
That's a little late.
it is. Oh, do this first.
Oh, wow. Okay. Do this first.
To unpack, okay, here. Let's see what it says. To unpack, gently turn the incubator upside down. Oh, you missed one, sir. Sir, excuse me, sir, you missed one.
Where? Okay.
Nice work. Then fold back the carton flaps. Next, turn the incubator back over gently, holding the flaps so that it's right side up. Lift the box off of the incubator. Save all packing material should any warranty issues, blah, blah, blah. Wow, there's already cat hair on it. Fantastic. Locate the instruction booklet. We should probably open the directions. How about I start there? Operating instructions for cabinet incubators. You have to be smarter than the plastic. I got it, everyone. Look at me doing the heavy lifting. Open the incubator and find the power cord in the water pan. Plug in the power cord.
She's alive!
Wow! That's loud. Oh yeah, let's leave it shut for a while because that thing is obnoxious. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely blowing cold air.
I don't want to be chicken inside this when it's meat.
No. Okay, so let's open up the rest of the boxes because now we have to let this warm up and sit for... I don't know why I have my glasses on. We have to let this warm up for like a half a day. We're not going to put eggs in it at least for a few more days anyway, but... Oh, something's happening.
She tried.
So anyway, it's getting close.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're going to open up the rest of the boxes because what I ordered in here were chicken egg trays and duck egg trays so that we can hatch out chickens and or ducks.
Like that? Like this?
That's the pointy end down. No, pointy end down.
Pointy.
So see how the egg, this is more pointed than this side. This side's rounded, pointy. So they go in like this. And then they'll
like a baby.
Yeah, you're holding a little baby. Exactly. You've lost your mind. Okay. Let's see. This is the first few days of March. We're on March 3rd. I think we want to put them in maybe around March 8th or 9th. So late next week, middle of next week. Yeah, late, probably next Friday. So you'll see a video about us putting eggs in the incubator for the first time.
Woo!
It is Sunday, March 5th.
Yep.
And we are in here working in the greenhouse. It's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Yesterday it got over 80 degrees in here. The sad news is I'm working the ski hill, so I have to, that has to be my priority right now because, well, I made a commitment. And so we haven't had a whole lot of time. And yesterday would have been a perfect day to work in here. All the snow is sliding off the roof right now. But today is another great day. Again, it's Sunday, though I got to work the ski hill. So we are going to try to get these beds on that far side built. We'll probably not have time to level them, but at least we can get some building done today. Because we are in March.
Yeah.
And I was putting the schedule on the board yesterday, and we have a ton of stuff to do. And I get very overwhelmed very easy. I've said it before, and I probably will always say it. And so we've got to keep moving.
Go.
All right, so we're going to screw these ends together.
How you doing, Eben, huh? How you doing, Eben?
So today is March
7?
March 7th. Yep. And I'm like a week into March already.
Yeah. Wow.
It's crazy. This time of year goes so fast. I get so stressed starting in March because it just seems like the season is like we're running right at it. So there's so many things to get done and do. Today we are in here, we want to get done in here with these beds we built. They need to be leveled. So while it's not a huge project, it's time consuming.
Yeah.
Because to get these level can take a while. Oh, goodbye, snow!
Wow.
Nice. All right, that'll warm it up in here real good. The snow is all sliding off the greenhouse roof right now. Yay! Goodbye, snow!
I think this season we probably doesn't need so much heater.
Yeah, we might. Last year we didn't need the heater very much. Remember, we only had to run it for a few weeks in April, and then it was just warm enough.
Yeah.
And then we just had to run it on select nights. So yeah, so we're going to finish leveling these out today. We're going to get all the green pallets spread out and moved, and then we'll get the wood cut for the other beds we want to build. The problem is we don't want to put too many beds in here too early because once we start filling these, we need room to work in here.
Yeah.
But who knows? I think we're going to probably have to build them. I have dreams of doing things correctly, and then it's how they really happen on a farm. So yeah, I think let's try bringing that corner down a little bit.
I can do it.
To the feel like we put too much dirt underneath it. Okay. All right, there we go. So just a tiny bit more down. So let me just... Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think it's close enough. Okay, so best laid plans. The goal was to get stuff done in here today, but of course, we got started this morning and our friend Bill showed up to get some eggs. We'll get the wood cut for the last few beds we want to build. We're going to decide what we're going to do with this plastic in the center here. What's that?
Hello.
Hello? Bill! Hi! And then FedEx showed up with our
Trays.
yep, with some trays that we ordered. Now he's here.
FedEx.
Oh yeah, you're gonna need to help him. That's all that.
You want to bring to me?
Yeah. Okay, so our shipment from Bootstrap Farmer just arrived. I love the trays from Bootstrap. They are the thickest trays I think you can buy probably, and they're incredible. They last forever. We ordered a lot of extra because we're now going to be doing soil blocks for the onions. So here they are.
Oh, this is the last delivery.
Oh my goodness. So these we use for soil blocks. They've got holes in the bottom for airflow. This is the first time I've used these ones from Bootstrap, so we'll see how they do. I ordered a lot of them though. There's, I think 30 in here, but then I ordered another 40 for doing the onions specifically. And then our friend Amanda and her girls showed up. We knew they were coming, but of course then we didn't do anything.
Yeah. Well.
But we did get a lot of stuff done. We got this one leveled and that one leveled.
And
the one over there leveled, and all of the green pallets put on. We still have to do this one over here. The reason we didn't do it is because it is still frozen along this edge of the greenhouse, and it's like digging in concrete. And this one is the corner we're most worried about because the most water comes in here, right here.
Yeah.
So we don't want to just stand this in water. So we need to make sure we put block. Or bricks to set it on. So we are not going to be doing that today.
No, maybe next week. Oh no, I don't think so. Next week it's supposed to be.
Yeah, next week's not very nice.
No.
We're back down mostly into the 20s without sun.
Yeah.
Yeah, cloudy and snowy all week. Okay, so one of the things I wanted to do today while I finish our gardening plan and schedule is to figure out how many trays go on each of these, so that I am able to accurately keep track of how much room we're taking up in the greenhouse. So a regular 10 by 20 tray. I think 10 of these fit on here if I remember right from last year. Yeah, so 5 here, 5 on that second row, that's going to be 10. Okay, and then Jose brought these. And then can you do the paper pot transplanter ones? So these ones, these are the ones I really like to use for tomatoes. Yeah, see, that's going to be hard with these, is it doesn't, they don't fit very good on here. They fit better on the other pallets, the smaller pallets. So these will only take 6. And there's really nothing we can do. Well, that's disappointing. I was hoping, but they do fit 3 across, so when they're in that middle, because we always keep the tomatoes in this middle section, so it won't really matter because we can overlap them down the middle there. Okay, so this fits 6 plus a little extra. Okay, and then on the paper pot transplanters, These don't fit very well either.
No.
I think we had to do 2 and then 1 in the front. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, it's not going to fit very many either. And then we were doing this way, because otherwise they overhang. Although on these outer ones, we could do a little bit of an overhang.
That'll be okay, I think.
Yeah, so these ones are more like 6 to 8 to a table. The nice thing is, though, these trays fit perfectly on here and fill it right up. So this is mostly what we use. We use the square ones for tomatoes, and then, of course, this is our green onions. This is our beets, and our spinach go into those. Okay, thank you, Jose.
In charge and one that runs the fear of everything, so we're good. That's right.
Pam, para, pam, pam, pam.
What is today, Jose?
Today, it is the day for incubator egg.
Yeah, we're going to incubate our eggs today. It is March 12th today, Sunday. And so we've been heating up the incubator this morning. It is now at 100 degrees and 44% humidity in there.
Yep.
So we are going to put the eggs in. I'm very excited. We'll have about 18 days before we have to put them in the tray on the bottom. And then we'll wait till day 21 before we have baby chicks.
So excited.
Now we did talk about the fact that we're not doing chickens anymore. So we're not doing meat chickens like we did last year, and we are cutting back most of our egg layers because we were supplying a lot of eggs at market last year. It's just not cost effective. So the ones we're hatching out now will only be for our members. So we have members that have paid us for the year for eggs for the year, and so we need to provide eggs. And these girls will start laying right before winter next year, or excuse me, they'll start laying right before winter this year, and they'll lay all the way through the winter, right?
Yep.
So this will provide eggs for the winter for our members this coming year. And at the end of the year this year, we will butcher out every other chicken on the farm, except for the ones we really like, because there's a few of those. And our American breasts. All right, Jose, are you ready to put eggs in the incubator?
Yeah, how many eggs are here?
Each of these holds 4 dozen, so 48, 96 are on here. And we will probably hatch out 2 of these 2. And then in a week, we're going to put in 2 more of these. That'll be enough birds for us, plus we have some friends who want us to raise out some babies for them. So hopefully we'll get enough. If not, we'll put a 3rd round in the incubator after we see how many we're hatching out of these. Because really, we don't know how many are fertilized, although when we're eating eggs, I think most of them are fertilized. We have plenty of roosters here on the farm doing their job. So the first thing we need to do is we already put water in here to get the humidity level up. And we weren't getting the humidity level high enough, so somebody recommended putting a half a pad into the humidifier bank. So we did that. And then now we need to put the tray things level, so we have to hit this manual button over here.
Oh.
So all it's doing is tilting these trays. Okay, perfect. Jose, are you ready to be a father?
How many times? 6, 7, 8 times father.
I think you've been a father many a times on this farm. Awkward. All right, 21 days.
21 days, yep. Today is the
12.
12.
We should probably write that on here somewhere. Oh, hi, puppies.
Hi.
Really? Okay, I think they're ready to go outside. Okay.